As a professional, you need to deliver quality results in less time on every job. Go beyond brushing and rolling and get to the next level with the Graco Magnum ProX17 airless sprayer. The ProX17 delivers the speed and performance you need to get your job done faster. The ProX17 is one of our Pro Series sprayers, rated for heavy-duty projects, making it just right for property maintenance pros, remodelers, and general contractors who spray often and demand more power and performance. The ProX17 is ideal for jobs up to 20 gallons in size, allowing you to take on more projects every year. You can use up to 150 feet of hose to save time by keeping the sprayer in one place. The ProX17 stand provides a lightweight, compact design for easy transport, while the ProX17 cart allows for greater mobility for larger jobs. Plus, you'll avoid the mess and hassle by spraying directly out of a 1 or 5 gallon pail. The SG3 spray gun includes a built-in swivel for better control and easier spraying. Experience a higher flow rate for better atomization of thicker materials, while supporting 12 different spray tips, including large tip sizes that bring big jobs down to size. You'll quickly swap out the Pro Exchange pump with no tools and eliminate downtime on the job. The Magnum ProX17, one of the fastest ways to finish your projects. All Graco True Airless sprayers are built right here in the USA, allowing you the fastest way to finish with one pass coverage, the ability to spray coatings unthinned with less overspray, and provides pro-grade technology and a user-friendly design. Nothing beats the True Airless experience.